Kublai Pibaro. Ni pedang subai pi shakan untuk kubor jini pet ngor cable news. Hashwa bangina kami iki kubor ke babnya negajan miat ngina Hashwa syagimat bekongsan joko kubor mentak tayo. Menjur ke kenhun menteri ban penkela thamai ki kendon joko Meghalaya building bylaws ban perkhengi ki jingtai hek industrial zone. Wan penyesok ke dekat ke UDP na West Shillong jaga sang kongres. Tang kebor pisah dari kebor sorkar dari menteri rangba ulampang ki menteri ki nyom hagam begre ong usaleng sangma. Leje kendo ke HYC uba poleng do ah kebede bagi kun persya yau drugs. Nang jor gejing ki ak skol ba nehu poi hospital ki samla basha tngan. Klat ajan argut ki samla na Asam na basha yu ak trok ha kesurok ba National Highway Bahendri. Bad belia ke sorkar ke surok athem metor hadian hendres nem tam. Kekenhuan menteri jangka sorkar jela kalau menjur ban penkela thamai no yaki kendon jangka Meghalaya building bylaws banyo perkeng yaki jing snap yaki jing tei haki industrial zone. Bala menjuru ban penkela thamai yaki amendment jangka Meghalaya Forensic Science Laboratory Rules ar puwei ban penkai yaki babun ki kam haka Mobile Forensic Crime Scene Unit. Habai kenan bikinong patai kubor hadian balawai ke jingelang jangka kenhun menteri ubak poleng do ubalong nong ai ketian ke sorkar jela ulang baka amendment ne ke jeng pekela thamai ki kendon kalong ke badan kam ban penia pher ki industrial zone ke bam shimla dan menchwa bat kum tala dan kam ban wan ra ke amendment jangka building bylaws ki industrial zone ulang kum bakalong mentak ladan bon ki bentak bedai bat ke jeng penhe ki bayat kemat hagan New Shillong kum ta kalong ke badan kam ha ban perkat bat ban penwan dor ke rukom ke badai bat kum tala dan kami ki kendon ke bethamai ha ke bylaws na ke bentak industrial zone. Halor ke jingkeli la ke sorkar kala itho ki industrial zone han New Shillong uba poleng do ulong ba ke sorkar kampat itho. Nrei ki jaka kum kamau khanu bat mau ke siang kila don ki jaka badan ki karkhana bat ki jaka ki blatiet da ke sorkar.
One is the amendment of the Meghalaya building bylaws. This is broadly to facilitate the need to categorize the industrial zones into categories that were earlier not done, and also it involves amendment of the building bylaws for these industrial zones, and as you are aware, the expansion that is happening currently, especially in the New Shillong area, the new city, has to be planned in a very scientific manner, which is why we need this new set of bylaws for the industrial zones to be in place, and these were considered and approved by the cabinet.
Uba poleng do ulong baga kenhun menteri kala menjur ban penkela thamai ke amendment jangka Meghalaya Forensic Science Laboratory Rules ar puwei. Ban penkai ki babon ki kam haka Mobile Forensic Crime Scene Unit. Ulong baga ni ke jeng penkela kalong ban penkai ke Mobile Forensic Crime Scene Unit bat ke sorkar kala menjur ban penkai ki babon ki kam banthong haka Mobile Forensic Crime Scene Unit bat menjur ban don scientific officer, senior scientific assistant but laboratory assistant habarok ki distrik Kejela. Ulong balale akan ni dai namar baga crime scene detection kamdan satya haka service rules tak ada baga kenhun menteri kalawan ra akan kamat baneta haka jingelang jang kenhun menteri. Secretary Ketenat Home Police ubak Cyril Dingdo ula pensyai bakat kum ka criminal code bathamai ka BNSS arhajar arpulai. Kebateri kam naduk sitrik unaitung arhajar arpusau. Kadang kejingdan kam kat kum ke kendon cispa nyopuhun riau lai jangka BNSS bayaki kat tokan yaki kam bamman besyarkai ikenun toket mobile forensic yahak bandet lum yaki sakhi batkan ni kedai ke badan kam kat kum kaan.
We agreed to the Meghalaya Forensic Science Laboratory Service Rules 2021, and this involves the creation of the Mobile Forensic Crime Scene Unit, and Cabinet agreed to the creation of more posts in these Mobile Forensic Crime Scene Units, which will facilitate crime detection through mobile units, meaning officers will be equipped with vehicles, which will facilitate a faster detection of crimes, and we also agreed to the proposal to have scientific officers, senior scientific assistants, and laboratory assistants across all districts. This was necessitated in view of the fact that crime scene detection was not a component of the service rules until Cabinet took up this matter today. And also, we agreed to the selection of the chairperson of the Zila Sainik Welfare Officer Tura, being this particular gentleman, Colonel Darrell Hopkins, was recommended by the Departmental Selection Committee for selection as Zila Sainik Welfare Officer Tura for a period of 5 years. He is currently 52 and we have approved his appointment for a period of 5 years as Zila Sainik Welfare Officer Tura.
Uba polang do ula pentep bagi Sarkar Jela kala menjur kejing terwajang ke Community and Rural Development CNRD bantawe ke Meghalaya Rural Development Services Recruitment Board kumta kejing tawe kene ke board kene rap gi kam ki jam jang ketenat CNRD bala terwaru bantung kam ya ki officer Junior Rural Development Officer JRDO lengbak expert committee jang ke board
where officers are proposed to be recruited through an expert committee or a board. The members of the service being postgraduates and postgraduate diploma holders from reputed institutes, and they will be selected through a rigorous examination process and posted at the blocks as Junior Rural Development Officers. We have indicated that there would be GRDO at the entry level. The number would be 59, and the number of posts required to be updated have also been indicated and approved. Now the crux of this proposal is that since these junior rural development officers, there is a paucity of officers at the ground level, and going through the MPSC would delay the process of selection of such officers. So the need to have and to constitute the Meghalaya Rural Development Services Recruitment Board was felt, and this was put up before the Cabinet and it was approved today.
Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ha kasipali jang tayo kalapenlong ya kejing yalang ha kabakala pediang ya kinong yalam kibelawan ban penyaso no sya keseng Kongres. Nagalang keseng Kongres hanong po ha ke district Ribhoiru kala pediang burom ikinong yalam keseng NPP bat kinong kerjaan kibelawan ya so no sya keseng Kongres.
Presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala ula pediang ikinong yalam ki bukentup uba Gerald Shulai nek UDP baru ba Dominic S. Wankar ha kejing yalang kabelong ha Kongres Bahawan ha Shillong. Habakiran ni kelat patai kubor Presiden ke MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala ula pentep ru bahadin ki election shteng samoy ha Gambegre kenang don kinong yalam jang kiwei pat kiseng san patai ki bansawan penyaso syaka Kongres. Habakiran ni kejing yalang uba Gerald Shulai unong yalam berim ke UDP West Shillong. Betul bagajing wanrung syaka Kongres kadai kejing mon jong ushimet dak bakadau bu dan dau persya uba poleng do bat kene kejing wanrung syaka Kongres kadai namar bagadai tang kane keseng kabala batsin syarhok hakari bat agajella. Hakabedai bagi election shteng samoy hagam begre uba Vincent H. Pala ulong baka Kongres kalaya cekmat ban ya aireng hakane ki election. Bat kadon kejing kersian kabaklan nak liang dipat ba ban penjob yo kotong ke Kongres dak bakadau bam tiap mano ban job nerem rai nak liang ke NPP kala sedang ban penankam dagi bor sarkar ban penjob ke kertong ke NPP dak ba ai dagi scheme sakipat ba kene ke constituency hakabedai bat kia election MDC uba Vincent H. Pala ula pentep baka Kongres kelalong kabala penkrek kamtam ha East Khasi Hills na kebentak election MDC kebadan art pendai teli ki seat ke Kongres kalau yo arpulai ngot ki kertong bat ki wei pat ki sit namar babon ki bapan tiket kumta keseng kadang bishar ya ki kertong ki babiang
ki babon na ki perlok na po ki konstitusi West Kasils bat ki wei ki konstitusi kala join bat ni hang ni hapo MPCC ke jingjan jongki sibenta ka wei ba nado MP election kala tre bat ni bat ka baar ki la i don jikermen ba ka kongres kan le pha ki election ki banwan ngadang suan na po Garo Hills nga i po Garo Hills ro menchwa ki ong ka kongres ka ba election kan long balai re kumalong menta borok bat ki press bat ki reporters ki babon ngai kendu ante ong menta ka kongres ka po syakmat lani kumalong menta kala long ka triangular ka jing ya contest ka long triangular Ndre haga jo upor ba kam chakmat hi ka kongres na menta ka by election kam bigre Ndre na margani ka sarkar ka don ka bor kila sedang pen don kam ka government machineries kila aitin ki aipisa ki sanction ki surok kini ki por tengam tip kolong bono Ndre ha ba ngapek ka kolong menta di ki hajar ki NPP ki TMC ki join biang si kongres apor bangalik ngal aten ko di ki totally ki meeting hang te na i ba kadon ki jing song shit kadon ki jing song ngai kumju hang ni po ka Hills ro na menta ka election ka banwan kini ki MDC election na kermen ba election kan salong ho banai February kumba ki bon ki baong la dam don ka delimitation le nim don ka amendment of the 6th schedule election kan long ho banai February tela daga don election long kan long ho banai February ni long ki bala kre la prepare kamtam he is ka Hills na ka ar kondaisit nilayo kumba arfu lay up samut ki candidates ki ba more or less nila finalize ki candidate jongi kita kisit ki ba ngimpat finalize namar ki bon ki ba yakni ngidang page ma ban ngidang upload ki be ki position nila de kumno ki i ticket kumno kena ba ngiro ngin i ticket namar ka don ka change ki konstitusi ka to ka ne ka don ka addition lene ka don ka subsection ya ki snong ki ba bon ha konstitusi ka ta ngidang up Ndre ni lalong bela kre lalong be prepare na menta election MDC ro Ndre habang apet kum bagalong menta ngalech rom seneng ngalawan seri boy kipon ki join bat ni hari boy ngawan chabes ke Hills menegani ngawan cha Giant Hills na iba kadon ge chingsong shit na menta ka kongres kibriu kelas to ba haba ka kongres ka tlot ka jej benriu ka tlot ka kamai ge je ka tlot ki imlang ka salang ka tlot ka law order ka tlot haba kongres ka don ha ka bor kapek dut ya kabarok kapek ya kibarit kapek ya kiba ruspa kapek ya kibatuk kapek ya kidanyam baper tegadon ke jing ya telilang kadon ke jing sauto jumut ndre haba kongres pat katlot kumagalong menta ngingi tlot te kibiru kisnyo dio kisnyo du jing kermen kata ki pai biang kibiru so kongres na kermen ka kongres kumagalong menta ki election ki bladep nilale ba halijan barok ki state nilaban yo ruling ndre nilale ba menta maharashtra ro kermen ngisle ba Darkan yang selebha, kermen bagi nangsong senang jong kerilum kasih jantia jengi election ke banban ke depan perkat ba ngin sedang na po Giant Hills, ngin sedang na Khas Hills, ngin sedang na Meghalaya, banlong ke bukan nuksa ya ki babon hapo India.
Bagi indop ya ki leaders ki bawan yesno wat ka Kongres Parti jongi kini leaders na Selong West constituency i nong yalam di berapa ajang UDP iwa nak try the bunsnem bat ka parti UDP i lalong i organizing secretary jong ka constituency UDP unit iba ajaral sulai i lawan penisno bat ka parti jongi kisah kini program ke ba long mana jing cari atli ki blok ki ba dei atli ki konsensi ki leader ki ba dei banwan andre ba kawipat kata ni nanong thamai ba ki TMC ki la dissolve ya ka blok jongki ba banwan no bangi je lagi daw bom la ban kyal ni la defer no ya kasi ki jongki te mentasi pediang ya iba ajaral bat ki nong kersan jongi leader ki jongi ki senglong keme ke bahab apa jongi bat katok ane ki individual leader kami ba Dominic S Wan Karn Punusla kata de ka program ka bang ni pelong mene bat nya kalian jong seng nyang ya trai ba ban nang ban klain su ya ka parti
UMP Ketura Parliamentary Seat Wadairu MLA Barem ka Gambegre Assembly Constituency Usaleng Sangma ula kena bakaladan gajing penankam da kebor jong kepisah ke election steng samoy ha Gambegre. Bala penankam ru e kebor jong sarkar jela ha kaban nadu menteri rangba ulampang ke yang dorbar thawan ki menteri sarkar ki lelek drong haman lagi yang ban penti kena baka kertong jong keseng NPP. Kabari ko kurem jong menteri rangba akan jela bakan job ya kena ki election steng samoy.
UMP Ketura Parliamentary Constituency Ubadairu MLA Barem ka Gambegre Assembly Constituency Usaleng Sangma habekran halor ke election steng samoy ha Gambegre. Ulang ba omtang bagadan gajing penankam da kebor pisah da penankam ru da kebor sarkar. Hagaba menteri rangba ulam pangging dorbar thawan ki menteri sarkar baro ki hak benrung hagi kendong kensyat ka Gambegre na kebentaban penjob ke NPP hakene ki election steng samoy. Habakran nigelat patai kubor usaleng sangma ulang bamenta ke kenti gejingwan hiar menteri rangba ke menteri ke sarkar syakane ke constituency. Kade gejing mentoy ke bakrau bhai kinong shnong namar kin yo I batkin penbiang ya bro gejing duna ki badan hakane ke constituency. Da ke bakadoro ba 4 GE ba menteri rangba ke jela un yalap election haman ki tliu yang ke bawat hapok ke constituency jong uru julet. Nri menta namar ba kurim jong ke kon ki election steng samoy ulah ban yalap ru wat syakijaka ki shnong ne ki kentoj ki ba dei banlet. Ula banrap ru ba dei ki NPP ne ke Kongres ne ke TMC ki ban job ki election. Nri ki pat ba ke Gambegre constituency. Ki bala job lupa ki election steng samoy.
You see, I have not seen Chief Minister campaigning door to door in any of the constituencies, not even in his constituency. But right now he's jumping up to the area where he was supposed not to also. But I'm glad and happy that he could see, through the Gambigri, that what are the areas that needed to be projected to. Okay. Now, because of his wife only, he is going door to door and colony to colony and village to village. I'm happy that now, this by-election has pulled down each and every minister, pulled them down to the ground to see what are the reality that people are facing. This Gambhiri election has definitely given them the lesson. Whether we win or lose, but I think I have won the battle.
But will Congress be able to retain the seat?
No,
Because we
Congress
have-
retaining or not retaining, but Congress has won the election. You know why? Because all the ministers, speakers, and every MLA is going to each and every corner of my own constituency, Gambegre, whereas they had never dreamed and even, dreamt of going to the colonies where they never, never wanted to also. But now, see, this Gambhiri by-election has pulled them down like anything. And then, they are begging for votes. See the importance of people right now? It's the people who always wins the election, not the ruling party. You got my point. It's the people who always won the election. Now, people of Gambegre has won the election, I'm telling you. It's not the Congress, it's not the NPP, it's not the TMC. People of Gambegre has won the election right now. You got my point. Have you ever seen Speaker, Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, everybody going to each and every household before? All 50 MLAs, ministers are going down to one constituency and seeing the problem and trying to address the problem of the people. See the power of people.
Do you see money power being used in Gambegre?
Of course. Not only money, they have already used all the government ministries out there, which I loved it. You got it? I loved it because now people can see and people can feel. When they are strong, they can pull down even the chief minister and the speaker to the ground. Any common people, any common sense people will, not believe in that bluff. They have seen everybody has seen. Why chief minister is there 24 hours? Why speaker is there? Why all the ministers is campaigning in each and every polling station and each and every colony?
So we can say that the NPP is feeling threatened by the Congress resurgence in Congress.
No. NPP has
felt threatened by the people, not by the Congress. You can remember, by the people. Because if people have not voted for me for the Congress, in this by-election, they would not have been pulled down to their knees.
Ki nong yalam jong kahinyo trap youth council hagasi baar jong katayo kilale yakendo yu menteri uba kemi akatanat social welfare uba poleng do. Bat IT kedor khas kebakan top ikimat jingdawa keseng hakabede bagajing kendrai udrugs. Bat banirap ikitu ginong di banlaj na udrugs. Kino yalam ke HYC kila IT kedor khas menteri hakabagi lepen pa bagajing don kam yakijaka ajing sumar bajing yarap ikibangop udrugs. Kenang bakin lak banyat biang hakalenti banlaj udrugs. Kajing don kam mat penbon iki center detoxification OST bat daycare center banbo iki fast track court ki special court kajing toket ban pengat ya kajing pensaja ya ki mokot rumah hapok NDPS Act PIT NDPS Act ka kendai spa prapupra bat banbo ek office ka narcotics control board haganong ba shalong Habai kena bikin orang patai kubur, ba poleng do ulong ba kajing yalang kalong ke besngu tenat, ba uleyok ban patai ba kesorkar kalapan benar, ya mission director bertemai, jong ke drug reduction elimination and action mission nega dream, uba FG Karsieng, u officer IPS balasong tad, bat kiwe-kiwe kamru. Ulong ba kesorkar jela kelarai ban penlong ya ke anti narcotics task force, kum ke kenhuan pulit bekerpang, kaban pelet jingmud, hakajing ikon ni kam kai drug sakajela. Uli tu bahaga kat sau tarik mentau benai kan sedan kajing yalang jong ke dream kaban penyad usembut menteri rangba bakmi ikakam korbari kejela ba presiden tensong kumtakan setai sani kisenjam ke baga sorkar ke deban syem bantek lakam bat banrat dengkong ya kakam kai drugs uba poleng do ulong baka sorkar kelarai ban penlong ya ka ne ka ANTF ka kenhun ki pulet ke bekerpang kaban ya kun persya ya ki kam kai drugs hakajela
nakaliang do kesorkar kidi ban ai ru da kajing tho yangi ban penpau lani ban ai kata ka ai ke bangi keren mata si ko bau social welfare minister ong ba ngila rai ban pediang ngi kini jendawa ke bakaseng kala ong menta lengi kwa da kajing tho bat ya kita ki baro bat ya ka bana kaliang jong ki sapen poi kata kajing tho kini ki kendiat singi hakini ki singi arsingi ndrei nakaliang ka jong kaseng hi ku mangila pen bana bangila ayat bat ba menta kini ki district headquarter bat ki snong kajing yalang pat ba hi ka bakaseng kala pen pau ban pelong hapo mod pran akan nyo trik kanyat bet kumpala pen bet kata kari ka bangi kwa ban pen pau namar kum bakalong hi teng kijing ekren bakasorkar ki syukut tah kijing ekren kimpoi pat ban pentri kam iki tingim kwa bagi kita ki ekin long tak haduk bakasorkar kala pentri kam sisa kita kijing yakut ti ya kita ban pentri kam ru kum bakalong menta onom la ban pentri kam menta kandon syua kata meeting khat sautrik haba kata meeting khat sautrik kin sa syem karai ban bu ita ki kuat ki bekerpang ban bu ban kumno ban ra ban snai kata ka ANTF team ke belong independent ke benom ya klek lang begini pulit ke badan menta ti kumba kalong himenta ka nyo trik ka jingalang pat ba to ke choice apo mod pran kan yat bet kenang mengin penpau kumangi ong wi lesi ka sorkar ka sngo begini ki jeng dawa ki tang jong ke choice kim dei ki jing dawa jong pat ba tingi kwa ban peni ka sorkar ba ka jing dawa hi kam dei ki jing dawa jong ke choice ka dei ki jing dawa jong pat ba baro nangi ki nok shong snong ni long concern ni smo khyai ka jing jele jong drugs ha ka ni ka jela ka jong ti kita kata ka koi bat ngin up pat ya kata khat sauterik kay ka baja din khat sautrik na kalyang jong kaseng ngin nom shoes ngap ngin pet kay ka ba kabakirai bat ngin mud din ru ikini kirai ka baki kishin pet kum makalong menta ka jing ekren ni ka jong ni menta kalong ba ka sorkar kan ai ngi ka jing thua bat ka meeting ka jing lang pat ba to ka choice kan ya kan long bet kan nyo trik de ha kan nyo trik ondang ila poin to jaka ondang ila yo pediang yang ta ka jing thua ko sorkar ka ai ngin sa shim pat ya karai kay ka bangin le ri kum makalong menta ka jing lang pat ba hi po mod pran kan ya bet dengan syukwa ban ong hi lada dengan syukwa hi ban ong ba kidon ki ting ha ka jingya lenti ka jongi kidon ki ba ngimla ban syu ong bangin syu bat sa ya ta ka an ni hab hi ban le be an ting na ka banta ban ya dapat ya ka pating jong ka jai pen riu jongi kani ka jing kem drop jong ke choice kan dang yai peting nang ni syakmat ru wala ngitip le si nang ni syakmat kan don ki ANTF team ka bolong be tik tang nang bantau drop kindon ki kap ki ba ke choice kan hab hi ban bat taladi ngimla ban ong bangin syanya be tang ta ka ANTF team namar ba ka jing bat jo ke choice ya kinong di drugs kam di tang bengibat ya ki ban bat yo drugs ban the yo drugs ka jing yo ka jongi ya kalat ru pat ban kren ya ki ban pensong thu ki beki don kamban kala beki don kamban wan phai sha kajing im ka patmai ti kani kajing yakun kajong i drugs kanom kut tang kajing kren ba sarkar ngin ya buddi ni kajing dawa kajong i ban penti kena ba sarkar kan menteri kami kita kajing kular ki baka kalau kular khmat jong i ndri kajing yakun ni kajong HYC nang ni syakmat ukan nang ya bitek le sing ila ban yo i menu bentem ha bakut kasngi dal adon ke NTF dal adon ki bor pulit yo le siu pulit u ya lat naka kamram ka bala ai hu ladang yo i ki bakum kita ngim la ban chula sha ban chupet ki ngi hap hi ban le ke ke bade ban le kum ba pile i ki sngi bala ja bat ki bala le de ka sang hi kanom sange ya kani ka jeng khon persya drugs ngi nang ya wala ong ngi ki ba ngi le be an ho ngi tep group ngi le be an de ka kamram ko ngi de ban le nam tawan ya da ka jai ban rim ngi nang ya biteng
Hagazi pale jang katayo pat ki HYC kala penlong ya kajing elang pat ba hamot pran bat cheme karai ban aipor laipo singi ke sarkar ban penurlong ya ki nyotli gimat jeng dawa ban tek lakam ya kajing jele jong drugs ha kajela Kahinyau Trap Youth Council HYC kala penlong ya kajing elang pat ba amat pran ha kahinyau trap nai wiang arajar alkusau bat galasya mekarai ban aipor laipo singi ke sarkar bahkan penurlong ya bro hinyau tili kimat jeng dawa keseng ha kabede ba kajing tak lakam ya kajing jele udrak sa kajela ha bakran ka ni singi presiden ke HYC ba roi kupar sendram mulong ba kani kajing elang galong na kebenta ban pensyai pat ba lo kajing dan kam ban tak lakam ya kajing jele udrak sa kajela dak bakdo bahag ni kasi kaseng kalarai ban penlong dak jingya pat ba bantur sa secretariat ndai hakasan trek mentau benai pat nak liang menteri ketenak social welfare wa polong do ula khot dak jingyalang bat pular ban penurlong ya brohnya teli kicing dawa kaseng bahlor kani nak liang ke sarkar hapdeng jong gajingyalang pat ba kalapha rakesti ban pular ban penurlong ya kini kicing dawa Ula benrap manaka liang kaseng ka pediang ya kena kasiti na kasarkar bahkan aipor laipo singi ya kasarkar ban penurlong yaki. Da ka bakadoru balada kasarkar kamla ban lei yakin laipo singi. Na ka liang kaseng kan bantur sa sekretariat ban penbore kasarkar bakadai ban penurlong yaki himat. La ban kedau hang ne baka HYC kalabu iki hinyau tili himat jengdawa ki bakan thop ban bu no ya ka rehabilitation center ban bu iki free detoxification center ki OST center bat ki daycare center. Bantau ki special court kat kom ke NDPS Act bantung ya ki kenhon bekerpang na kebenta banle ya ka jing toket bat ke prosecution halo kinong kai drugs ban pengat aga kendon prevention of illicit traffic in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances act PIT NDPS Act yang beriu kebelah syakam arsian aga kam kai drugs bat bakatnat pulet kade bandon ka special team bat banbu ke office jong narcotics control bureau hashilong
Sarkar jengla ke jongi kamtam sya ke department jong ke social welfare department kamentoi ban pelut dak kilat dak kilur ha kita ki hotel 5 star ban celebrate lene ban kenmau ya kita kisngi jong kita ki anti drugs day ki kisngi jong kita ki ban le buram kita ki bapang ke bacutom ya ke HIV AIDS namar ke ne ke datang ke jimpeng serwakai ya ke pisah ban kamla ban le ban kanglat ya kena ke jinjele jong drugs lada ke sarkar kalau pelut ya kena ke pisah ban pak sumar ya kitu ki mensim ki balang ngok ha kena ke jingkerni jong drug kano kalong ke jing mentoy ke riba ke jat benriu ke jongi nangkong ki singi abang ayo por ba ke HYC kasdang ya kena ke jingkemra ba ke jingkem ya drugs ngong ka mentoy namartang ban sukem ban pensutom ka mentoy Andre ngak snokemen ke mensim ban ya haba ka HYC ka syumnya ka senjam ban pak sumar ya kine kinong kibala kerni hal drugs nomor new drugs umde sutang ka jindi ulade kata ka jimpang kebangikum keri ba kejat benriu ngidan kamban sumar kumtang akan tuwi ka sarkar jela bahkan sengeno ban penserwaka ya ka pisah jong ba ha kita ki festival ha kita ki program haki hotel ki barendor ki 5 star hotel ban pelong ya kita ki jingle burom ya kita ki anti drug day lene ban le burom ya kita ki sngi jong ki HIV sendre bahkan pelut ya kapisa nak menta ke jing mentoy nak menta ban pak sumar ya kini ki kunsam la ki balangok ha kene ke jindi
ki policy ban penteri kam ya ki an ki beladon Bari ngikot ngiwer ipi. Baai bakani gasngi ka bamenta. Kandai gasngi ka bangingin syem ya karai. Banong bayau drugs ngin radeng kong nakani gari ka biye ya kacungi. Banong bayau drugs ngin radeng kong nakani ka jela kacungi. Ban penting kena bakajai benriu nyotrak. Kandai kata kajai benriu kabalalat no drugs. Hoi ni tu bakajing yakun kandai kata kajing yakun kabae adu kata kajing yakun kandai kabasuk kalentia kajongi kanomdai kabasuk nilamat hakini kinyo berperat lagi benar nilamat bahabang ilet bantang yo drugs bantrat yo drugs jayu ikino elam tu kaseng syakot capo renjak police station syakot capo sadar police station bangi tebru banangi syakmat kindang bun kijing syakot kindang bun kijing syak pengat kis nerai tangkawai ngilade ban rai ngilade ban smai bahabangi syem ban syakli kajai beri lembah KHYC kita KK kimper mat ai kis takis pateli mat pengat bat pensyong along nyanyi kamper nerai penting kenapa bakajai beri nyotra kan lat nak kena kelam jong new drugs nengi don kam rupat ya kajing yarap ya kajing kersan kajong pi uwei pawe kot jong kajak bendri barok kuei kata kadega kubur lembah kadega sni ka bamenta syaka sorkar ka kubur syakini ginong ritlen syakini gimensiono ka kubur sya uwei pawe kot jong kajak bendri labiang labiang katu Nilai Aisyah mentah Nriu ban nyu teli ki benai Ngiong bahabalap ngiong nong di Bun ngisu ajing seneng Ngisu ajing seneng Ngiyakran ban pak segi jatah sumar Nang ni syakmat tiang Ngiyakran syuk Kumbale iki mensiono Kumbale iki nong Yaki nong ritlen kum tahiru KHYC Kansale yapi Bat ngin IT ro kajak benriu Bakar kan le Yakabukum kata kakam lembah kani kapur kapamenta lembah kilat patai kubur lembah kajingdon lang kajongpi baka seng KHYC hakani kapur hakani kasi kapamenta kakwa banong ya kasorkar bangi priang ya kani kasiti kapapi pila ai nginomlet bantur syasket triat hakani kasi kapamenta Ringi bu pat ya kapur ya pi bangi kwa bahapo kalai posni nadu bafila ai ya kani kasiti mentakasni ban penting kena Baka NTF ladai ban pentrikam ladai ban notify kabar ki special code ladai kini ki fast track code ru ladai ban notify ban ong bapu ki district ki balasakta ya ki babun ki kes NDPS ladai ban don ya kita ki ying kasari ki bakerpang bat kongcu ru ban thong ya kita ki plidar sorkar ki bakerpang ngibu ya kini ginyau tuli ki mak jingdawa hakmat jong sorkar dak bangi piang ya kini siti bat ngibu ya kapur bapo kalai pusngi nadu mentah kasngi kabangi don ya kini gajingelang mentah balada ka sorkar ka ngim yoi ya kidak ki baka sorkar kan le ya kani ban le ya kini gikam hadien kalai pusngi kaseng HYC haringkan upat ba nginom ya lumsyu ya kajingelang kabakum kani nrengin let bantur syakatay ka office jong upat ba hapos sekretariat kabyang pari habay day kimat jingdawa kibakaseng kalabu kinoelam ngiladek banyakren babalay ngidon kam ya kita kiyin kasyari kibakerpang ngimla abanlen bau nong di yau drugs dong syakem sisin arsin ulat nakawai kapur sakawai pat kapur bau dalalat ule biang kumju delor kata kanong rem bakum kaseng ni ong ya kasorka bakadei banwanra ya kiyin kasyari kibakerpang nakabenta ban penting kena bagi ni gibreu kibadan benta hakakam ban kai yau drugs kin yoru ya kijing pensitong gapur kaladei baka sorkar jela kan haban syem ya kajing kikli ban penting kena baka jai bendriu nyautrap baka jela mekhalia kanom dei kata kawai na kijela kabakarin dia kanong baka rega jela kababun tam kinong di drugs sorkar kadon pisa ban aya ka cherry blossom san kror tengka sisnam banwan yalam ya kinong put kinong tam kamdon pisa ban siu ya katulok jong kinohikai ki jongi Kamdon pisa ban siu ya ka scholarship jong ki kun samla ki jong ni. Ki bakum kita ki noilam ki don. Kapur kala dei. Bagazat menriu ka ban perkat nang ni syakma. Dia lor katakan nong rem bagaseng ka ban syem ya kani ka jingkit kli ban mi syamadan. Jenla dapat ki buar pulet, jenla dapat kita ki brio ki babat ya kaan ki pentrekam hok ya la ka jong ka kamram kam dadon kam kai choisi ban mi Hapo sor silong ban mi haki wei pat ki jaka ban ya le kam ya kinong di drugs ban kam ya kinong di drugs kam de ka kamram jaka choisi on syem la pen ku buar ya ni da kanung kaan ndre ba sosi kalong ba kita ki brio ki babat ya kaan kim syem la pentrikam ya la ka jong kabur badai kata kabala hapan pelong yang ikum gaseng bagi hapan mi simadam ban yakun ya kani katma ya uni utlen ubala ban bamdo ya kajat ndriu riat pat kajongi
Ki samla pulia jong skol ba North Eastern Hill University Shillong hapok kalama jong North Eastern Hill University Students Union Nehusu bat ka khasi Students Union Nehu unit kila penlong da kejing syak tengan ke baklum bopor bat kila kangker debru ekani skol ba naduk ke singi balang jong tayo langut ki samla pulia ki be syembenta ha kejing syak tengan kila kempang bat lapen kit noi ki jaka sumar ha kemiet jong sipalai Wala kani kejing ki kelanang jor Henry Vice Chancellor kani ke sekolah ba Profesor PS Shukla ulang ba dan bor AA banweng kami kinong trei ke sekolah ba Nehu bat tre ruban Harshuki kumbala dawa daki samla pulia ha kasing tho diang pat kino hikai jong sekolah ba Nehu kelalet ikendo iulat ke jela ban pensngau ya ka jinglong jingman ha kani ke sekolah ba Kinong tre jong skol ba North Eastern Hill University hapok kalama jong North Eastern Hill University Non-Teaching Staff Association. Haga sau trek unai wiang arajar arpusau kila penbana ban penlong da kejing yaki ban sang etrekam ka baklom bopor naga benta ban penorlong ya kejing dawa ban penlong ya kejing tungkam naga benta kinong tre haga ke skol ba. Habakran kilat patai kubor Dr. W.R. Sunram President Kanika Association uletuk bakarai jong association ban penlong ya kejing sange trekam kalong nomor baka skol ba kala syempor palat ban penlong ya kejing penrong kam non teaching staff kabelebu jeng ya ginong tre nomor hakane ka skol ba kidon kam non teaching staff hadu san spatam ndri menta kidon tang ars pasan phongut uletuk ro bayak advertisement ban thongkam thamai non teaching staff lada ban penmi na dokas nam ahajar arpulai naga benta ki shispa san pusau tuligi pos haga group B bat C ndri ka dia lapen slam no na ka jengdon ka election yang dor bartawan kari bat hadian ba ka National Testing Agency kala pentip ba kan omla ban penlong ya kene ke exmin thongkam haga skol ba Nehu wa sendram ule turu ba namar hadu menta kene ke skol ba kampat la ban le halor kene ke mat kumta ka general body kala syem na karai ban penlong no ka jing ki ban sang etrekam na ke benta ban penurlong ya ki jing dawa
malda kimrupru di brio kay ban jingja kan long ba kinang duna pagum taw snam lut la sang thai kum san phomut tame te next year ki sang thai biang kunta he te nang duna tekan boj yang ki nang tre te kam kan suki daka duna ki non teaching staff ke jing deal ke jong ni ki student ki kairo ka boj te din tak daw ngin man si along bo force ni ngin le kan ni ngin bo pressure marka komjektif jungi ba la form a committee ban je di agency in le recruitment ndra hadum taro kimpat je ta hadu kan no kan simpor ni ngintep lightrek November kalakut sisnam ka sidde ji sha ka por jengka placement ni september yo ka laps na ne placement ni tenda ka laps of placement kin le kumno kan makta ka daw ni khat ikane ka jinki jungi ban ni community ro la yo kubor ro ba wisi la khat ya kran ni le shai tingin ya pek ke ga ji kran ko jungan long ola ka long fruitful te ngin se decide pada biang ka general body jumi ke min la bigam tahi kat bakam padan ai na kaliang jung ka authority ni man sing ya man ya chikmat bakan ni ka pendang tu dang jumi ji sangat
Enough is enough! Please say no! 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 Enough is enough! Please say no!
Kisamla pulih jeng sekolah ba North Eastern Hill University hapok kalama jeng North Eastern Hill University Students Union Nehusu bad ka KSU Nehu Unit. Kila penbena ban penelong da kejing syatngan baklem bopor bar ko juga por ban khang kerdap kene ke sekolah ba na dok handru tarik mai wiang arjar arpusau. Kani kalong hadian ba kejing kendo beru Vice Chancellor Professor PS Shukla kamlong kabasiso. Hashwa kani na kalyang kesamla pulih kene ke sekolah ba kila penelong da kejing rally na Central Library hadok ke Administrative Block. Komisi bentaban penram jor kejing liak menti Vice Chancellor kalau kejing dawa jeng kesamla pulih. Kini kimat ki kentu dan penihar dor ke bay hostel kejing bambiang ki hostel bat kene beri pembiang no iki kejing dawa ban wengkam yo registrar deputy registrar bat ki officer bercitung bian do Vice Chancellor bat kejing dawa bentung mardor yo pro Vice Chancellor. Habapun benai kene karai u Sandi Sotun Presiden kene husu letho ba Vice Chancellor syimkia halo kejing dawa jeng samla pulih kene ke sekolah ba. Kumta kisamla pulih kila syem karai ban khang kerdap kene ke sekolah ba bat kumjuk ken sedang no daga jeng ki daga ba syong syatkan kat ba ki bor bre kmi kem pat weng yo Vice Chancellor. U Tony Ho bre uwe ni kisamla pulih ula kentu ke sarkar jela bakan tuklar batung yo Vice Chancellor batamai ha kene ke sekolah ba. Bat ubedan ke jingkit kliat nak benta ke bahakamiat ke samla pulih bat ke sekolah ba berokawai. Nakaliang Presiden ke KSU Nehu Unit u Shibat lang rembai ulong bakaseng kan yai beteng ke jingki bat ke wer ki para samla jong ke sekolah ba Nehu bani senok tilang ha ke jingki dak bacat dengan klem bo por tak adu bo Vice Chancellor unsyim ki senjam ban penurlong ya kimat jeng dawa jong ki samla pulih.
Giwan banpet ban UI lagi jong gikmat ya kene gejing yakhi jong ki samla pulih apo jong kakan hon Nehu su kiba ladawa na kabenta ban wengno ya registrar balathung menta lajan sisnem bat kumjuru yaki deputy registrars kiba nado bakini officer ki wan bantre hakani ki university dadan sipun ki jingkulmar hagar kontrekam bat ka pendengo kalong ba registrar babat ya kapos ke bahapo ya VC ladakanya kelem joka administration wala umlong kamajrong ikinoikai ndrei onsin ulale kolma da ko pha city seki dean seki head joki academic departments ban pha iki bakinle yakni katai ban I report chau apo ki katu kane singi lane tayo ka jingle ka ba ban pa ba umtep ya ka status lane ka kadan lajong kini ki deputy registrars kemtep ya ka office procedure namar bakin pat dan ka administrative experience ke babia but dan pro ki bangilalap bakim nang watang banpo iki officer status ro tie kani kala bu ye ki khna samla puli kani university aga jinge bakra but mrei tang khna puli samla puli mrei kinong trai kinon teaching ki nohi kai baro promotion ki badai ban penlong interview umsumna bande agjingsa nagaleng jongi ngile tresitam banwanda da ulane ka breu la jong ban yo ban appoint ya kinika was vice chancellor ndai habangila fail banle ya kata gimsimla one professor PS Shukla nimban se ban pediam yo ta kejing perkhat bo sole ai ke babhana ta ke university ndai umsimle kumta agisa mars join unio VC bamenta Profesor PS Shukla kum kamita ingle kendu yo bat ngi kerpat yo bo unthung no yaki provinsi ta ki brief jongi ki basut khu khamha ye ke jinglong jo ni ke university bat ye ke jinglong jingman jong
kejelam mereka. Henry hadu mentala laisnam simla bantung. Kajing bom tungi provisi kalau kita hadu kata-kata kalau pentelot ya ki board rekam ki bangi on ki statutory bodies. Kum ka academic council bat ke executive council jong ke university. Kajing bom don kini ki provinces way hatura but way hangnya silong ulayolat visi marway ban leman bat ban rai kabuman ni babon ki kam ti habalami pun ki jing keluar ikna menta kelarai ban syatngan bat kajing syatngan kabam bu pot ti kan jayu ya kajing ko jing kya ya kajing em jong ni samla dalor bakin du ya kajing pule kin jayu ikinom trai jo gede university lada ke university kalong ha gede kam kumta na kaliang jongka meta kajing sya ni randan ha kadang ka meeting yo jing te bagi kena kilawan ban lunch ya ka agitation joki da kajing syatngan tingimban se ban wan pet ban wan i yaki ba ki na kamta ki ho kum ka meta irarai bangin ai kajing kersan ya baro ki jingdawa ba shonghok bat ya baro ki jingdawa ki sinjam ban trekam persya ya kitu ki jingle bomdai bomhok jong ne vice chancellor
Kung mensyok makana universiti jangi kahap asik schedule kahap ke schedule areas te ni kalau ni piang ni bagi ni pat ni longi dan ni kata jumlah ni ba ladaka sarkar bin jelah jangi ro ada kasim interest akan ni isu ni kalau ben pedai kamta me naman bakane kadai namta mensyok makana ke universiti ke jangi kadan akan negari jangi ka jelah jangi man tani jaj kipai khasi jangi ini semua tu baka universiti berkini kini mak jangi ro kini bensim ban bak kli dengan orang dengan mentah namar pun mensyuang bangi tentang kan gawe ke universiti ke badang trai kamenta kan ke jalan jangi ketuk pasti universiti hoi kan tentang bahat tentang ni peti baka pat long functional re tekum kan ke universiti ke ba de reputed university ni de ban bu ngai kata ke sanctity ni de ban intact ke kan ke integrity no kan ke universiti jangi ke baladan
O Vice Chancellor ke Sekolah North Eastern Hill University o Professor PS Shukla. Hagajing ikenduk begilat patai kubor hakan reutrik ngai wiang arjar arpusau hasilong press club. Ule pensyai bu dan bor banwengi kinong tri ke sekolah ba kumjo onom tre ban hiar syuki. Namar yau latung deka presiden kari. La ban kedau hang ne ban kaliang kisamla pulie kebagan top ya kan nehusu bat ka KSU Nehu unit la sedang da kajing ki ban cak tangan kelembok por lor kajing dawa ban wengkam mardor kinong tre ke Nehu yagi bala thung be an u Professor PS Chokla ulong ba kajing dawa ban wengkam ya registrar u deputy registrar academics kam dai ka bala ban lek klam kanong rem namar yaki la thung kat kum ka kendon bad adin kajing kmi bnya da ka ba keduru ban pendo kam yo nong tre sarkar kamla ban lek klem ki daw ka babiang baladan ki daw na ka banta kanong ka kam Kihap bandan da kajing toket om da kajing pun kut no mardor. U Vice Chancellor ula pentebru bahalor kajing keno badan ka kendom kendram ka ning skol ba. Na kane huta kane hunsa bat kane husu klada ban pen sno ka presiden kari bat jo menteri sarkar preng bari kemi ka tanat puli puti. Bala da ka sarkar preng ka suba badan kanu kajing bam yat bed. Kala adai ban thau da ka committee toket ban bishar bnya akane. Nrehedu mata kampak dan kano kajing pentep na ka office jong presiden ni ketenat puli puthi bagi chim kano senjam halor kini kajing kano ha kabaya day bat kajing persya akbathung ya u officer on special duty director college development council ulong budang up yo no uno u professor u bakwa bantre kumu director jong ka college development council halor kajing thung kam yagi non teaching staff u vice chancellor ulo pentep baganehu Kaladap ban penmi ahlor ki pos ki balat na dogas nam arjar apulai. Nre ka National Testing Agency kala kentat ban penlong yaki eksamen tungkam. Nre ka nehu kala ya chakamat ba kurukam ai tanda segi wei pat ki agency kala ya chakamat. Jisin bala play biang yak office jang registrar ka bala khak namar ki jing yaki kini ki file kini ya chakamat ban tungkam mardor lo ong sho u vice chancellor. Halor ka jingdawa ban tung pro vice chancellor. U Professor Shukla ula pentep baga skol ba hagi babon ki khap kla tho tikna syakatnat bani jing sha sho halor kene kam bat menta karang up ya ka jubab na katanan
yeah this letter and 3 to 4 times and last letter sent to the government of India on 4th September 2024 and waiting the reply clarification from the side of the government. Either government permit us to appoint 2 or 3 or 1 pro vice chancellor. Still it is not clear. Yes, after the demotion, क्योंकि registrar is a tenurial position, only the 5 year. Deputy registrars are the regular positions. Okay. Deputy registrars are under the probation period. Before going to even confirm any deputy registrar, this is a common procedure, not only for the deputy registrar, others also. We will definitely follow the same procedure. Immediately after going back, again going to call the students. Please come forward, discuss the matter. Discussion is the only way to solve any kind of the problem. There is no any other way. Come on the table, discuss the matter under the norms, rules and the system. Because I am also bound with the rules and regulation. Always ready to discuss my students or discuss my teachers or non-teaching association. My request to the student union, non-teaching union, and also if the teaching unions are involved. Because directly I am not even getting anything, teaching union is not. Kindly call off the agitation in the interest of the new students. What will be the consequences if it is going for a long time? Definitely the examination will be affected. So who will be the sufferer? So come on the table, ready to discuss the matter to find out the amicable solution under the system, rules and norms. And I always not only ready, I am also ready to go anywhere. देखिए गवर्नमेंट एजुकेटिव काउंसिल कैन और गवर्नमेंट कैन कॉन्स्टिट्यूट द कमिटी क्योंकि यूनियंस ऑलरेडी रोट ए लेटर टू द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया एंड आल्सो द सेक्रेटरी एजुकेशन और आई कैन से द मिनिस्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन. Definitely the government is going to take any decision. I will follow the decision of the government. I'm not going to resign anything. Okay, the first thing is. Second thing is, my appointment was done by President of India. She is my appointing authority. She can take any decision. Definitely I will follow. Whatever the decision they are done are going to take by the President of India. Definitely I will follow. A student can say anything. Okay. But as I assured during the time of my joining, I would like to perform my duties as per the Act, statutes and norms of the university. And I am doing.
Kinong hikai ke sekolah ba Northeastern Hill University kemudian hapok kalama jang ka Nehuta bat ka Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association kilawan ban pensngau ulat kejela UCH Vijaya Shankar halor kejinglong jingman hakane ke sekolah ba. Abakran gilat patai kubor u Profesor Lakhon Kamau riatu bahagian kendo badulat kejela. Ulah penpau kejing sokya halor kejing ki syatngan kebrang yat nehu. Bat kedoro bulat ulah batai kino hikai bat dia barok kino hishim benta bagian IT lagi jong kejing ai jingmut kumno ban penkut no ya ke kendram hak sekolah ba nehu. Ulah benrap baulat udang pentip ya kejinglong jingman hanehu bat ong bagadai gadak kababha bandan kumune ulat ubat sokya ya kimat jong sekolah ba. Hagbay day bagajing dawa banweng no yaw Vice Chancellor u Professor Lakhon Kama ulong bagi samla puli kino hikai bat kibam de kino hikai jong sekolah ba kila du jing shania u Professor PS Shukla ban beteng hakashuki Vice Chancellor jong de sekolah ba. U Professor Lakhon Kama ulong bagi no hikai kim shimlawan banikendo iulat kejela namar bagila dawa banweng no u Vice Chancellor. Mereka lawan tang ban bishar benia ekjingja keberangyat hak sekolah ba. Bat ongru bagi samla puli kidan kahok bandawa na Vice Chancellor ban Hirshuki na kakam gajong u.
nama raduk kesi ke menengkong jong kejing ki Vice Chancellor Shimla le ai ne Shimla Shem kya ban wengi kejing ya jiki samla pule kino hikai negi bamde kino hikai.
That he have the same sense of feeling like we are having, looking at our kids who are under the hunger strike, and I think as a father he expressed his deepest sense of sadness, like we all, and he's taking this issue very, very seriously. And we had a long discussion on each and every issue that has culminated to this agitation that is led by NEHUSU and KSU Nehu unit, and of course Nehuta and Mehta, we are supporting them. I think Governor is aware because he has been reading newspapers and media reports on daily basis that has come out for last several days, and we have had a point-wise discussion on each and every issue. Of course, it's just the first meeting. We didn't arrive at any solution per se, but I think we appreciated the seriousness that the governor has as a chief rector of NEHU, and he will do all necessary possible measures that he will take in order to restore normalcy. So he has indeed he has advised us to come with the suggestions to end this agitation, the solutions which we will go back and discuss with our members, and also of course we have to interact with NEHUS who is leading the agitation. So we will come back, and he has given us a free you can say a free pass here, that whenever we feel like coming we should come, and he will be out. I think he is coming back by 12. So we in the meantime will be preparing what all solutions that we need to take, because there are so many problems that you all know that has led to this agitation. So we will come with our own suggestion and how best we can resolve all the issues. And that much at least he has assured us that he will do everything possible as a chief rector to, and his main concern, like all of us, was that kids should not go like this. They are on hunger strike. It's so sad because ultimately university is meant for them. If they are not there, we teachers are not there, nobody is there. People may come and go, VCs may come and go, teachers may come and go, non-teaching staff may come and go, but the university must stay, and it must stay for the student community of this beautiful state of Meghalaya, and of course the entire region, and of course the whole country as such. So I think we had a very, and we are very happy because for a change, we have seen that there is somebody occupying this governor's chair who seems to be very compassionate about how things are going, and he, as a chief rector, is taking it very, very seriously because we all know this vice chancellor has not shown any sign of the empathy as such, and he showed total lack of the concern for the students who are agitating, who are on hunger strike now. It is almost 4 days now. But this governor, at least we are happy to see that he is totally different from at least the vice chancellor, that much we can say. And I think we have come out with a positive note, and he has told us to prepare whatever we want to suggest to improve the things. So we will go back and discuss with our associations, and of course also with the students, to see how best we can, because we are all concerned. Their health is getting deteriorated day by day. 3 of them has been hospitalized, and after this we are going to civil hospital to see them if they are still around in the hospital. But then we are concerned. Yeah. So we are concerned that many more may fall sick, may fall weak, and weak. And I think it is a concern for all of us to see that, because their health is our prime concern right now. And how best we will arrive at a solution, of course, needs to be discussed among ourselves, and of course we have to convey to the students.
Nangyay sa bani dengan mentaki bay pat ki kubor ngan sawan pai hadian kini kijing penbena.
Nang he nang san lahikai yangi ban board bet ya ki jo ki lenti ki ba ki wei ki layan. Henry amdan pat ki ban keli hatu pila mo ban yeng hala ki jong ki kejan. Hatu pila ban kon persya ya ki jing ban wan ra ka jing kala ban kentiu lang ya ki imlang salang. Kalenti kamlong kabasok. Kalong kabadap de ki jing ba jing janjar. Henry, ya kito ki ba ang nood ban pen urlong ki jing temu ki jongki. Usok ka jing tre shitam un pen wandor. Tang ya kalawe jong pi. Henry ru ya kalawe jong ka imlang kasalang. Wat kuslay? Pimnan kamanyad marway na marke Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge 5.0 kadon hang ni ban kersyan yakito ki bertemu ban kiau artat wat hapdeng giding penkiang kenia ka jing yako kan plilat plilenti ya pi bapinyo ya ki jing hikai ki la jing yaram bat ki jing kersyan ha ke bapila ban penpau perthai ki sap ki jong pi. Kini ke challenge ya ke bala penmi da ke sorkar Meghalaya la penwandur ban kersyan ya ki kamla jong ki batemai bat ki bedang sedang. Kalong kerensan ke ban ai jing ya rap jing hikai bat jing kersyan ling ba ke Primes Incubation Program ke bakendai benai. Lada pide ginong sang snong jong ke jela Meghalaya bala don lupa ya ki kam kai pateng ke ba pikwa ban kentio kani kalong ken kalat ya pi ki nyo pusan ngot ki ban syajet kin yo jing kersyan ki kam jong ki ha kerukom jong ki grants ha ke ba lai pusan ngot ki ban wan syakmat kin yo arlak tingka bat ki sau po ngot pat ki wei kin yo ka jing yarap ke ba shilak tingka. Nalor kata, pinyo jing mentoy tu, da ka jing syahi kai markmat na ki riu shimet ki bala benanam. Kumno ban sandor ya kakam, batru kumno ban yo jing yarap ha ka liang kapisa, ka yo kahat, bat ki jaga tre ki badan hasilong batura. Kala day kapor ban pen urlongi ki jing posniyo, bat ban pen wandor ya kalawe jong pi.
Kapor jong pi kala day menta.
Kapor jong pi la day menta.
Kapor jong pi kala day menta.
Now PC ang nagajan miet ngin pai biang siki benta jongga kubor. Arngot gisamla ki bena kejala Asam kila klat Asian hagasi ublay jongga tayo. Kabalalet no haba ka thuk kabagi syong kalalet rung syapok krum jongga wega terok. Bat syayu haga terok haga surok ba kabadan haga shnong Shang Bangla haga distrik Riboy. Arngut gisamla kila klat no Asian hadin bro wega thuk kabagi syong Kelarung cakrum jak wega terok bagi niki arngut kila syayu agi tayar jong nega terok hadok bekila klat Asian. Kani kejingja kala jah kala trik noi wiang arajar arpusau ha kapor kumbash pawji e menstep ha surok ba National Highway Bandriau ha Shang Bangla ha ke distrik Riboy. Layo jingtip bagi kejingja aksiden ke beserkai kala jah ke bagi wega tuk Royal Enfield kabranu number AS.UAFF Laila Hendriu Nyo kabalanya step baru nungnya. Hamar bapoy ke jaka ke belong Kongdong ha ke shnong Shang Bangla. Unongnya juga ni tuk semlala asyuk bentek lakam bat alit tenra ek wega trok ke ba ula persyang ban kenie ban jam syakmat bat kelon nasurok tak adu bagi ni trok ayo ban yu sendan unongnya tuk bat ke besyong hadian juga ni tuk. Hagani kejingja arngut ke besyong ke tuk kila klat no Asian na kejing syayu akan ni trok kabranu number AS.UARC North South Uwailai. Bat kini ki belaklat Asian akan kejingja ki kentup ya unilut pal dowari arpulai senam gerta na Dibrugar ke jela Asam bat kagargi cutia arpui senam gerta na Moranhat carai dio hak jela Asam. Tang Maria yo jengtip lor kini kejingja ki pulet jong ka traffic branch kanong po kelit marmars kini kejaka ban penlong ya kejing tokit bat ban penkit igimat yap sya kejaka bomet yap ha civil hospital nong po ban le ke bedem kam bat ban pentip pat syaki bahayang. Kishipai Border Security Force BSF bat kipulet jong kathanat Ranikor. Kila penelong ya kejing kenrai ke yang sa jong kawai kelong kemia hagas nong Tilagau jong ke district Southwest Khasi Hills. Bat kili okurup kumbah nyopo wajar tengka kabadai kapisathok. Kishipai ke Border Security Force rengkat bat kipulet jong kathanat Ranikor.
hak arterik unai weng arajar arpusaw hak por kumbakat we pje men miet kilale ban khanrai ka we ge yang jok we kelong keme kumla tip kerteng kum kateng di sangma soku arsenam karta nagashnong di lagau ka bahab apo ka rajai border outpost hak district southwest khas hills bar akan ke jing khanra la yo ban kurup kumbah nyopo hajar tengka ka pisat hok kat kum kita long kubor nagi pulet le thu baki pulet bat sipai BSF hadin bekelayo ke jing tip ke bati kena bakadan ke jing buri ke pisa thok ke bari ke pisa India bat ke jing khandra lang ba ke joint search operation na ke yeng jong ke brio lalap kum bashi spa sapotli kilot sanspa ke bari ke pisa thok ya kateng di sangma la kemno daki pulet bala pengat apo khat sausni Bakandan haka judicial custody kenang bani obat penolong yang jing toket. Telong kubor klia tu uru bahaga jing toket kene kelong kumia kalakam baklayo kapisan na kinong kai na Bangladesh leng bakakam kai pateng jongka. Barkalakat tat ru bancalan ci India ya kene pisah thok. Halor kene jing ja ki pulit kila register ke mokot duma baga jing toket halor kene kakam kadang ya cekamat.
Kum shibenta panele bantek lakam ke jingwan rung bean kinong Bangladesh syaka jela. Hagasi balang jong katayo ka KSU Langkanma area unit kali obat ya khat arngut kinong Bangladesh nagathan nongjri bat nong halam.
Idkhot ka KSU Langkanma area unit po ke jingelam yo ane sasha haga step jog handle terik unai wiang arajar arpusaw hakapor kumbah nyo bje nyo shteng ni step kali oban bat ya khat arngut ki ba suba baik di kinong Bangladesh nagathan nongjri bat nong halam. Kabren hakajaka kapot bat ke district southwest Khasi Hills. Katkum kita long kubor le tu bakini ki breu ki badai ki suba nong Bangladesh ki bakantup na do ki kentai ki shenrang bat ki kena hadin gejing tokit le tu bagide nagashnong Sunamganj bat ki le tu ru ba gejing pet jagi shkari India kare namar ka jing bam shongsok kebadan negeri Bangladesh. Uyones Hasha Presiden ka KSU Langkanma area unit habakrani kilat patai kubor ulabuk gejing keli ki sipai yada kapot ka border security force bekile ayu hakajaka kapot amar kinong Bangladesh man kapor iyo banwan kiyo shkari India ulapan pau gejing sngudiaw ka bakrau holor gejing shimsting ki sipai BSF ba hakajaka bagin penklan ki bor pahara ka than kapot hakum gini ki por badan gajing bamyashong sok ka keri Bangladesh mereka buk tem penban hagi shnong khasi ke bagi trai shnong ki penyat be laki kam ki jam bagi penwit penban ki kam ki jam jongki
ngila yobat ekni ki khar bangla ki bawan rungtu na ri Bangladesh te na kaleng kaseng ngila kali ki rei ka tin ka thli ru kimdang ka watang ka hindi ru kimdang ban kren te samjigi ban kali ki rei ngitip bagi ki khar bangla but ngi lakali tin bangla kan soit barki dina po Sunamganj te kini ki khar ki ongba ki phet nang tai namar ba kadon kini ka jing ya ka je man hakane pori Bangladesh kim songsuk kim ki mo ki kim don ta ka songsuk songsan po Bangladesh nak ta daw ki ong ba ki wa ban wan sine po India jungi dai na leng jungi ka seng ni so ban prasha ya kane ka jing rong tu jung kini ki khar kaba kam don ka kot kasla te ngi na kaleng kaseng ngin IT kini ka borjong ka an ngin IT ki pulit bat ka borjong ka district te ban bakin le ka badon kam te mantapat ngi kwa ban bu tang ko ka jingkeli ya ki spy ya da kaput ya ki BSF ka ka kam jok phi ba phi song to boda kini ki khar bangla pat ki yorung man kasngi sane sa kari ba ijungi kami ki kendon ki babyang kami ikut kislah kita biang kini kajing mau kajing kajia po di Bangladesh kabu jing ba menta yang ki ripat hang ni po kajala Meghalaya badha kahane district hi bro koi
hadin kajing obat ke KSU Langkanma area unit ki khat argot ki suba nong Bangladesh ha ka step jong kan tarik unai wiang arajar arpusaw na kathan nongjri bat nong lam Kebalarong bean ci India kajing temu ban buai shnong nama kajing don jong kajing akaja hagari Bangladesh. Ka KSU Southwest Khasi Hills District lam depan slam hakane kejuk kesngi hapo kajing lam o forward man nong rem president kelet bani kendo yu ba bi molong deputy commissioner jong district Southwest Khasi Hills. Hakani kajing kendo kaseng kelayo ru ban ay kajing tho ban kalapan sngo ho deputy commissioner bagani ka kam kadai kabala bun sian Kabana kaliang kaseng kalakren lor kejingi orong bean kinong Bangladesh man kapor lengba kejing don jeki breu berap ban penrong bean dak basyem dak pisa. Kaseng kalapen remru yakishpai BSF ki bam syem na syem kia yala ka kamram. Sho u forward man nong rem habakran nikelat patai kubor ulong baga bakam sngo siya kalong. Bag shpai BSF hakajaka bagin perkeng ya kejing rong bean jong ki breu banabar hakatan kaput. Nregi bu ketem penban hakishnong kasi. Bat penwet kayat kayeng jong ki patbar. Halor kani kebenta kaseng KSU kelakentu yu Deputy Commissioner punya kran lem bag shpai BSF kerang ban kang lat ya kajingwan keu bean jong ki breu ki paniki wei pat kiri. Halor kejing yo jeng tep bagi dan ki breu ki balong kum ki dalal ki baju penrong bean ki nong Bangladesh kaseng kakentu yu Deputy Commissioner bodi ban betha ekatenat pulit jong ka distrik ba omde ban kem tang ki nong Bangladesh redi ban kem ki ki breu ki balong ki dalal ki ba penrong bean. Kaseng kala maham ru igini ki breu ki ba long kum ki dalal ki baju pendrong bean ba kaseng kala maham baladakan lap kan syem ki senjam ki beteng
Di hadin kata pat long ba hadin kutu kajing jam nem step bat kajing ja ke bana kapor jong kajing warung tu jong ni kar Bangladesh lang ba ki than border dang sabat selesek kala penlong bang ngi sen mentaksi bangin wan banekran ya Deputy Commissioner jong sabat selesek ban penso biang habede berkani ke isu kaban kong kalong bana kalang jungi kabang lakran ni soban perem juri BSF ni soban perem juri BSF namar hajing syak mut baki BSF ki dai ki bah khamat ban pe ya uput usam ne ya kathan kaput hapo jong ka ya kar India berkari Bangladesh tengi tip hiru bau BSF udon gitu kithan nadu kithan bakli nadu kithan nane na po gomakat berkonta tertar hari ke basusi pot kalong ba nakapor sakpor kalong ba kini kibre menabar kilat bag bandung tu po India bat ka ai ka bakam sngo lengo susu kalong ba ka ai bangilap ke jile BSF kalong new BSF kalong ba hajaka bun pej perman ya kan than bordar ban pej ya khar Bangladesh ban khangla de khar Bangladesh kin rung ka India kum menne hari u ki lek pat ban kiu sakini ki surok ki badai kisnong khasi ban pantut kalai ki trasnong ti kanai kalong kai ka ba nakaleng jungi kumasangi kwa ambu jing kali ba kita ki spy BSF kalong kai ka kamram ki hatu ka kamram ki kalong ban check ban penwet ban haras ya ki trasnong ne ban ker banda na kani jingwan rong tu jing ki khar Bangladesh hapo jong kari India lengba ki kaput jong sarwas selesek te habade bakane lakran disi ngikran ka basai ba nakalang ki border district kidai ban kran ki BSF ba kidai ban concentrate haki 0 point lane hak tu ki thang kaput re ba kimdai pat ban keu sakini ki sajrong kidai ban concentrate so hakini thang kaput nang ban la baneda ya ka juruk kertlap jong ki breu menabar napo Bangladesh kabar pat kaba nakalay jungi kasang ya pansngo so borsek kalong ba klam da thau klam da khanh udai nakanyam ayu udai Hindu udai Muslim hare kasang hi kanorim kasang kalong ba ukhar Bangladesh usa ukhar Bangladesh but ya khar Bangladesh compare udai niam ayu udai Hindu Muslim udai Kristan nakum tar hare nakalyang juki borsek bat ki BSF kidai pitkana ba kidai ban bat bat ndak bat kalong ba kidai ban penpai be jik bakum kini breu lene ban le ek badong kam namar kumbalong menta kalong ba wi ba kadon ka jing lajlan khanta mau haki kaput wi hot kadon katukani ki fencing po hangpi bat kadon BSF balongo kalong ba wala ki BSF don gomakat don bakli hre kar Bangladesh ki hi na kitu ki jaka ba ki don ki outpost jing BSF te kata ka de ka wei kabalai ka ba nakaleng jungi ngilakran kalong ba namar ngiyo jingtep bahapo sarwas selesek kemut ba kidan kita ki dalal ki ba yale ban penrung tu yakini ki khar Bangladeshi sapo India kata kade ke jing sisa ba ki bubun ki dalal ki yale ban penrung tu khar Bangladeshi sa India te nakaleng jungi basang ni lakan tu UDC ba lakno kalong ba bat ke baude ban direct ya ka tranat pulit ru jong ka district ba kide ban pej banyak bat omtei ba ban kem tu khar Bangla Rai ban kemru ya kita ki bro ki balong ki dalal ki basim bisa na khar Bangladesh ban penrung har India. But nakalang jungi masang ro. Habade bakini ki bro. Bisa ban mahanjor ba ladang ngilap. Ya ke bakum gini nomor kumba ong mene ba sutu kai ke bajam mene ha po nonglam kalong ba kini dekhar nak lawan rung hane ha ka jala ka jungi sa khatu ka than lada kali ong khil lada pha ong ba kile phaino ana kim tipsu takalanti kani kapan i baki don kan jadalal ki bon elam ban pan poi ki se utur ke jaka re snubok kolong ba habal abad dukan kasang kilap satang ini kabalisi baki mlamsu kita bakum kita ke dalal tena kelanjungi tentu border strike bakin le berangkam nabde ginda dalal ba ki bajumlin ban penrungtu ban simpsa na Bangladesh ban rong ha ko jangkari India de ka bakhadu ban kelanjungi kran kolong ba bante la kam ha bide berkani ke jongorung kerklab jong ki bru mana ba nap khantam na po Bangladesh kolong ba kadon kam biya ka jing eslok lang jadi selok lang kalong ba ngi kantu district ba ki de ban khot ka join meeting ha ka ba ha ka join meeting kolong ba ini de ban khot lang ki BSF de ban khot ya ki ne lam snong bat kun ta ter khnang bikin yo ban thir ban tai khnang ban yo ban pau ban kran ke jing sha ban wanra ta kalat kelanti ki babyang lani ki kan ban thau kelat kelanti ki babyang ban pentingna ban ani smart kanum don su ke jong to jogi khar Bangladesh apo jong ka ri jungi lamba ka Southwest Selesai
Ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council la gajing tmu ban perking ya gajing yo alat ki brio ki bamdai ki trajela ban khayi pateng ne ban kamai lan kala penlong ya gajing kanra ki kali kamai nrei kani gajing kanra kala pulam no namar la syam bagi babon hi ki kali ki dei ki balong trai daki khasi Habai keren bikinang patai kubor u executive member ka KHADC wakmi ekatnat trade uba jigur merthong ule pentep baka council kala penlong ya kajing khanra trading license ki kali kamai ki banyak di brio ki bamde ki khasi kalang kanong ba shilong barakani kajing khanra ki pulet enforcement ki lakmi ki kot kisla kali bat kilalap penban baya kini ki kali kamai lalong try ki khasi kajing tmu jong ka council ban penlong ya kajing khanra kalong manlap ki brio ki bamde ki try jela ki bobo ki kali kamai namar kalong ka bakongsan ki beki de ban yo shwa ki trading license ndre kem shim lapoi perkhat bagi bobon ki kali ki de ki balong try ki khasi mat gini ki brio ki bamde ki khasi ki longtang ki nongnya kali kamai uba jigur merthong ula ong maka council kani beteng ban penlong biang ya kajing khanra ki kali kamai ki beran hakaleng ki jaka ki bahap bat ka council bakane trailang ru bakat tanat pulet khnang bakat ommi kano kajing e ki pat ba nonglet nongwan
ai bade bat ka jing pha ban checking ya ki kali ki bate hangne hapo sor nagaling jungi namar ba ngila yo ya ka jing ujor naka seng njuk ki nongnya taksi sor bat kapsor tingila pha ya ki enforcement ban le checking ha ki katot katnetli ki dong ba per ndre hadin bangila pha ngiyo ya ki report naki upsar ba ka long ka ba yaki ban cek yaki kot kisla namar ba tangsula pan yaki kot kisla kemut kala witno ya kayet kayeng jong ki kali ki la num ki halano kila i ha po media ru kila halaba ni kila sakut no kali traffic jam no kinata daw nakaleng jong ki kimla su ban ya sakmat ki hapelat no ya kitu kali ki bala bat makiru ti kadai katahi ba ka report kat kumbang ayo naki officer
ya tu gajing telasi jong pi ki i kumnu ki kat kali ki biang hak teng jong no
em kat kum ka report ba ki ai ki officer ki bun ki nongnya don teng ki nya ki dekhar ndre ki kali pat de jong khasi ti nakaleng jong ki kimla le namar ba ki ong ba kade ka kali jong khasi ndre ki nongnya pat de ki khar
hakikot ki sla ka pau
hakikot ki slapat ki pau da ki khasi ti kalong ka ba ban pensisana kaleng jong iru
Tekem bengyo i ba labon ba non tribal ki banyak ni ka local taxi ni apa source long. Dan nakaliang ka council kadon kono ka an ka ba di haban yo kat yo asla ni kin su kamai bet kat bakimon.
Em hakajing sha hakabede bat ki non tribal ki de ban yo e ka trading license. Suwa ban yo e ka permit. Te hakabede bat kata nakaleng jungi ka department ngi secto para bor sepo transport department. Ba kidai ban isu ya ka permit hadin ba kilayo ya ka trading license. Ndre ya kata nakaling jungi ban wat cingtip ya kita napo ka DTO kalong ka bae. Ye hajing sya kidai ban simkha napo ka DTO.
Wadah pedang jeng persyak jongki katuk ane hagala asu blai jong kata yau ke sarkar kelaya cekamat ban pleno ag surak athem metor kabaki kali kila banya na them yo maulong ban mi pat shabi mola. Kani gejing play kani ke surak kalong hadian nriu snem na do baklami ka huri hura ha kani ke jaka.
Kani gejing play ya ke surak athem yo maulong kalong hadian nriu snem na do baklami ka huri hura ha kani ke jaka. Ya kani ke surak lakhang mentalah nriu snem shiteng Nado bakalami kerja kanat berkahuri hura kabla penong ikipat ba bandawa bari berpen kerja anu sisendon ikibriu gibesong basabean hathem betor. Hadin berkesorkar jela kalapan bena bagkan pleno eknik surok. Kadon kejing persya bari ban pli eknik surok. Hadin berada ban kerja aswa ye gibesong basa hagane kejaka shkawi pagajaka. Apadeng kejing persya kesorkar kelap pleno eknik surok kenang bagi kali gibona them yo maulong kini oban mi syabi mola. Bat la perking pada kejing pahara lagi pudet akan ngatan. Ka Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills sa kejing pemi kejing pemenapat ba hakalai potrik Risau mentang senam arajar arpusau. Kala penbena ban plebiang no yang surok ha them metor baya ki kali ansya bannya nadok kapor prabjimen step hadok kapor sau bejijan mir. Ubah polong do ulong ba kejing play biang ya kesurok kani rap akaban pendunai kejing kap ngia kejing ya ki kali ba kejing play kani kesurok kam dan jing dai berkarai ban pen kendria ik besong basa hathem metor ulong ba kejing shimrai ke sarkar kalong ban pet akabedai ba kejing kap ngia kesurok ban ya ki kali ba kejing khang ya kani kesurok kalebo kejing ki pat ba kini ki henru senam ki balalek ulong ba ke sarkar ke yang scam hakaban pen urlong ya kejing temu ban pengkeria ik besong basa kani kejaka Bakajing pli surak kam dan jing dai batkarai helor kakam kabaya dai batkatem metor.
I think it was a practical decision in view of the traffic congestion, the general inconvenience being caused to members of the general public for the past 6 years. I don't see any link between that and the resolution of the current imbroglio vis-a-vis the relocation of the sweepers. In fact, the signal being sent, for the past 6 years, is that things are not in order. That area is a trouble zone. But today we have removed that image by normalizing movement of people and pedestrians and vehicles in that area. So I think it's a very important positive step taken towards decongesting the entire city. You know the traffic scenario as it is today, and it is not at all linked. We have the state government has reiterated time and again that it would resolve this matter, and we are committed to that. The reopening of Them Maulong has nothing to do with the resolution of the issue.
Hagala asing ublay jong katayo ka State Level Monitoring Committee kalasyong ya kejingelang ban bishar bnia halor ka Members of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme. Haga Conference Hall jong ka Secretariat ban lasyam makladan ki scheme wat hadian arpos nemru shimlala ban pendep yaki. Ka State Level Monitoring Committee haga sautrik unai wiang arajar arpusau kala penlong ya kejingelang ban syong bishar halor ka Members of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme near ke MP Lats. Haga jingidan rekat UMP Ketura usaleng sangma Chief Secretary Gejala kiwe-kiwe ki Head Officer haga Conference Hall Hamin Secretariat Hasilong. Haba kira nikila pathai kubor UMP Ketura usaleng sangma
Uli tu bagani kejingelang kalong bancong bishar halor ki project ki barang saateng nadok kesenam arhajar lai. Daga bapen paru ikejing lengok bagani project ki barit. Hagajing mang ke barit nrai don lagi skim ki bawat hadian arpo senamru. Klemla ban pendap. Usaleng sangma uli tu bahalor kani nakaliang chief secretary ula dak ban batha babar organic project dan deban IT no ashwa ya ka utilization certificate. Ashwa uno pra amta kesnam. Daga bakadawru bagajing bamla ban pendap organic project kala ban long bagi no pentrai organic project kim shim kya ban pendap.
All the pending works from 2000, there are pending works from 2002 to 3 like that till then. So we have reviewed, and then Chief Secretary has already apprised all the DC and then directed them to make sure that all the pending works should be finished by this December itself. They might have reviewed again and again, but I don't know. I was wondering also why after 20 years also still have that pending work of MPLAC. It is just a mere, very small amount to be implemented. I don't know what's wrong with the system. Otherwise, 22 years is not it's a joke actually to finish such a small work. I mean, yeah. The amount was not much. Some of them are 50, some of them are like 3 lakhs, some of them are like 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs. And one of the funniest part is that Dambu from the Longzeng also there is one. There is supposed to be a Dambu college where they have already spent around 8.50 lakhs out of 10 lakhs, and yet it is not completed. There were lots of projects actually from 2014-15 and then 2020, 2002-3 like that till 2023, 22-23. So there's a lot of projects. Few projects are still pending. I'm not saying all the projects are still pending, but there are lots of projects needed to be cleared up. Maybe the predecessors might have given to the wrong beneficiaries, or maybe because the implementing agency has to look after whether they are doing it or not. Okay, but it's the it's the beneficiaries who are supposed to do the project correctly. Yeah, since this is my first time along with the state nodal agency, implementing agency, so I just watch how the functioning was, and then it struck me actually why the small works are still pending till that. I was wondering. I thought they might have a meeting about the new rules, the new schemes, but it's a review about the older schemes which is not yet completed. No, this is a small. It's a comparatively actually MPLAT scheme is a very small scheme. Okay, it is just to fill up the gap where some of the area it is some of the area which are not getting from any other scheme, like for example PWD or maybe PHA or from the other soil department or maybe from the education department. So those fill up the gaps. So it's only a factor for the whole district. Like for example, in my constituency, there are 5 districts which we have to look after the whole the whole area, and then moreover here also. Likewise, it's not that big, but still, whatever, it will definitely benefit the people at large.
Ka MP kabarim syagalok sabha na katura parliamentary seat ka Agatha Kesangma hagasiba arjong tayo kalashimti kum ka chairperson batamai jong State Commission for Protection of Child Rights barkalakular bantrai bha ban penklan yakurukam trekam jong ka commission ka Agatha Kesangma habe keren bekenong patai kubor kalong ba kalashimti kum ka chairperson namar hagini kisi kibalalek commission layo menchimpi namar ba kamdas koklan bhakamet kalong baklawan ikendu ke chairperson berim bat gledon bon ki kam ki bladat ban lek ke commission bat ke kerman scam ke commission po ke jingelam jongkaru kan tresh tom shosho banang penklan ke jing syakri jong ke commission bat kedang don bon ki aka ki badang hab ban lek kalapen pau ya ka jingkong san bandon de jing trelang bagi snong ki thau khnang ban pen yo ya ka jaka basingan ya ki khna bakin em bakalapen pau ru ke jing sokya halor ke jing slam ban bishar ya ki mokoduma pokso
bat kalong ke badai ban le halor kania namar kam dai ke bajatang hamai gelaya ndrei hakari brokawi ha ka bedai ba kejing keno ba kejing syatung jongka kum ke chairperson jong ke State Commission for Protection of Child Rights kalong namar ba kadai shpara bot menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma halor kania ke agatha kalong ba kamdan ban kentho namar kanu ke bale akan dan be kejing kentho bat kelapen kesan ba kawan hang ni ban peni ka kam jongka bat kermen scam bagi por banwan di kam jongka ken sakram hidalade.
Because we don't have one. Yes. You'll come up with good recommendations to the government.
I mean, we definitely have to work on this, and it's not just about Meghalaya. In the entire country, you know, the POCSO cases are not very they are not very fast track. There are fast track courts, but you see, because there's death penalty, it takes a lifetime for sentencing to happen. So it's not something just Meghalaya is facing, it's all over the country. And therefore, I mean, we have to work in coordination with the minister. So I am here to talk to him today, call on him and, take it forward. So let's see how it goes.
Critics have said that your appointment is related to nepotism and also your comments on that.
See, I have no comments on that either because, whatever you do, there will always be criticism. Honestly, I'm here to show my work, and hopefully in the coming time, my work would speak for itself, and my dedication. Because I would just like to say that I'm extremely excited to be in this position where I can work for children, because this is something I don't think it's something that is necessarily it's not necessarily it's not necessarily about nepotism or anything, but I personally feel that I've always had a very soft corner for children, and they are my favorite people in the world, and I'm very excited to work. So let people say whatever, so I'm just happy that I've been given this opportunity, and I really look forward to working with all of you as well, because we can't work in silos here. When it comes to security and safety of children, we have to work together. We are in the same side, which is on the side of the children. Of course, the appointment had taken place a few months ago, but I was unwell, and therefore today I've officially joined, and I'm very excited because I realize there's so much to be done. This morning I went to my office, met with the former chairperson and the entire team, and there is so much work that is already being done by the commission, and it's very commendable. And I just hope that somehow I'm also able to add some value and something good to the commission, and I really look forward to it.
Kirang ba snong jogatan riboy hapo galama jogasenjok kirang ba snong. Hakala sing ublay jongatayo gilelet ya kendo ya u deputy commissioner ke distrik riboy. Hakabagila penpau gajing persya ban pentre kamno dagi smart meter hagajing sam ya ke boarding electric hakeleng kisnong jongkane ke distrik. Kirang ba snong jong snong baper ka distrik riboy apok syatri jong kesinjuk kirang ba snong haga sauterek unai wiang arhajar pusau lalit yakendo yo deputy commissioner jong distrik ban penpau gajing persya ke bajur lo gajing tumu ketenat sam boarding ban pentre kamno lagi smart meter hakeleng snong nong kendong hakane ke distrik ya kene gajing le yakendo ya u deputy commissioner ke riboy Abhilash Baranwal nagaleng kesinjuk kirang ba snong ke distrik riboy dalam kemat uba Bibi Makdo, chairman lambat kirang basnong ni snong boper. Uba Bibi Makdo abakran haginong pathai kubor. Ure tu ba kesenjuk hi kam kersya na gijing temu ban pediang pentre kam no dok tau smart meter na benta bensiau ke bai penen kam boarding. Nrei kenong rem ba kam shumladon kan no gijing persai pat ba. Shwa ban chim ngene senjam kam tam ban pentep pat ba shwa kenang ba onla ban pensai. Bawat kinong alam snong ru kinyo bak ninyo ya kata kajing syai hakan ke distrik. Uli tu ru bak senjok kamdan jing tip halor yo nong ne kado nong apa penan kam bagi smart meter. Ndai ke belengok kalong bagi tagi komiti ke besyemti benit pendat kini ki meter. Kila syurung cigi tliu yang klem kajing pentip ne kajing menjor kinong song snong. Kebaya kalong badan kilong yang kibab nanang dastar kila syup tiangi kini meter. Badha badai kapor bansiw ke bai boarding kajing lut ke kio Arsha Laisha. Pakane kebut hakajing ek basika de. Uba Bibi Makdo uloong babalai bakat tenat sam boarding hang ke jela ulah kedo bagi syabun kam benlet keliang yagi meter. Ndrai ban pai khmat igijingan kam ngi pos elektrik batamai gabon kilap ut kam dan ai ke bakum kata. Kumtana kaliang kesinjuk kirang basnong kila khot yagi we kirang basnong ru ban kersan yakani kapang. Banlat nakajing ia hadin habot hakabar kerpat ru yu deputy commissioner ban pezange no ashwa yakajing temu keliang yaki meter boarding elektrik. Tar anda katanat sam boarding kan dalit pensyai shwa halor kini gamat. Nagaliang u deputy commissioner hadian bulan sengap yakajing dawa jong kesinjuk kirang basnong ula kular ban syimkia halor kini gamat. Taga baong ru buun sekren bagi bor peniat bahalor jong katanat sam boarding.
Marka jinglet dan bor jong kenika department hak jing yedai bak jumbu jubor ya ki smart meter rapo bisnong thau jung tegani kala along la pen smusi sebab kalat namar klem gino gijing persat to nagaliang jungi kro basnong ngim ong bangi persa ngim ong bangi yo nong ne du nong naga jumbu jung ne smart meter handre kadon kamban ai ya ka awareness program nang babaro paiba nong kendong kinyasa kendri kumbolong munta tang nang benta ka jung yo nong jung ni ka kompeti ka basim kontrak ban pendaj ni smart meter la surung jubor sa gisno la su pentip jubor bapli gidon ni rang pasnong ni bom patip ha te gi jembut ni usman metar hap supriang hadin melayo bel gidon gi complain gi bayo sengi gi bakio do arsa laisa bel te gani te galong ka jing sikat de yang gi boy kanang ba maximum hi ni de gi nongrap gi gi yo bon siu bil like tam arsin laisin sisnam gi hap up hadu benda di gi marap jongi te teng ru ag jing de bat kalai ru gi babon gi singi ngim yo la mereka bel ke politik tek, but kawai ke bapa penlengo balai ke nega MECL ke concentrate, tangah ke jengi day ban keliang metar nak kawai ke por, segawai pa. Kat bayi ke puls ke belajan kelem ke panggil komplain nak keliang jengi ke basnong man ke por kam jusim kia. Ke puls sapok ke senong ke jengi ke dan along ke jengma ya ke kena, ya ke te ke jeng terpat ke jengi minta ke sini audisi ban pensengek suasipor, ai suai ke awareness program hak jengi day bat ni ke basnong kenang begini cai. Kini kalau ada kesin ke baar ke bakan nika MECL kawan ban persang ban bu yang usman metar hapo Riboy district jungi. Tegi jingkeli nek por kalong ba. Hadin bangilawat jingtip. Tiong ba ngin persang so. Haco kata ka Riboy district jong ni kadai ke jakai persang mo. Ya gino ki skim balai kimle so siwe ke district. Balai kimle sa ki factory ki industries persang so neki balai pendulong lang kanya ngi ka Riboy district. Ya kino ki skim bro. Kaba persang hi kisdang so na Riboy. Nagaliang jungi kiri rong basnong ginda persa teng kani ai swai ka awareness program hadin kata ngin sa pliang yo metarita mayaw ni usman metar bak sagway ka bakadu along mangi kentu ya baro ki para rong basnong bakin nong patsa ya ba kini ki company panon penda jubor yang ni usman metar ngin sa penlong ya kejingi kendu lang jong baro ki rong basnong bangi yo ya kejing sai na kani ki beliau jong kini company adin hata ngin sai rai langin sa ne langin nom sa idai tang kita ke bangjuan
Ka Joint Action Committee Umdap Area hakasi palai jong katayo kalalit ujor hau executive engineer katnat PWD haganong po division persya u kontraktor ubam syamla trei pendap bekajing sna yang kesurok PMGSY na paham maulen sya sakhoi kuna kabelepo jeng ia yakipat ba ke balit bawan na kani kesurok da kejing saudiau ko bakra holo kejing ia no do kontraktor ban snap pendap surok PMGSY basan kilometer ha paham maulen sya sakhoi kuna kabelabo jing ia ya kalit kawan depat ba haka nyo tarik jong naiwiang arhajar arfusau kinong yalam ke Joint Action Committee Umdap Area ila led ban ujor halor kani show executive engineer ka PWD hakanong po division laban kedong hangnia bagani kesurok na paham maulen cedo sakhoi kuna kalong kebakongsan bahan na kebentagi padba nolit nongwan besong masa katan Umdap Rengi Umdap Dimu paham sobar Umjong Kongwing bat sakhoi kuna kebapenan kami kani kesurok kebapenia so Syamarman bat cedo bernihat kidkhot jong ka Joint Action Committee Umdap Area belalam dau chairman Pak Lawrence Nongrum kiwi-kiwi Pak Senong kle kendo yo ba M Perbot executive engineer ka PWD Roads anong po division bandawa bade ban chimkya ban tentu kontraktor ban snap pendap kena kesurok nado paham maulen arpo mer cedo sakhoi kuna kablakta ikipat ba nong senong hagene kejing kan ke Joint Action Committee kelepen pau bagajing sina ya kene kesurok
kaba lamang langba ka PMGSY la ayo wei ubriu batik keteng ke sunshine sau kumi ubal ieno ikna kam cam da pendat ka uba Lawrence nongrum ule itu bagi Joint Action Committee ke persyajur halor per kontrakam jong kontraktor ulus ieno klaim da tre pendap ikna surok kabla syuti tang ya kerong ke barim bat pensertok pada kelekawan kipat ba Banda kaliang ke Joint Action Committee kelai porstayo kontraktor ban sedang pentraino ikna surok lem kumta ke Joint Action Committee kelong bahkan syem daki senjam ke batin ikong ti nong sli belami kemat nak kenhuan kilong kene ilong bagi nong senong ki belama jengi eskat dai halor kene ke jing syae no klam de pendap ini surok kebasan kilometer pat ila benrap ru belada utau kontraktor umla ban sna kumala betha balai IT no ikibai ban tre pendap ya kene ke kam
Ngi wan da kamen sim ke bakia ya ke jing jenjar ke jing mat ngi kum ki traisnong ha kayat ha kapang ha custom ke jing jenjar ke lenti te habangi pek ya kene ke jing tre jong kontraktor ha kine ki snong ki dong ki jongi la long thik kumba tre du suman men swa ha por bangim pat yo ka surok kadang biang malu malah nrenda mentapat nda ila mut ban tre la kho snap lut barok khat kane kadai ke jing jenjar ke basha bapalat lada in tre no in kho snap khandiat satre da kho snap khandiat satre ke biang re menta la long kumpat tre ju sungan ndala kho snap lut barok khat adin nang ta pada suit jendat kumtu kata kadai ke jing snew sabapalat khambun sen ki breu ki basyong basa stu ki dai ki nong rep ki marep ki maryang jungi ki dai ki ba ni hap penmi iki sayo sahat kador ke bangidi kadai kador ke batat ni hap siu ke bai kali pada hakador ke barem teng ki driver banang banlek passenger dan ngilek merwai arngot kinum trek namar balai balak sniu palat usurok ki ang bangin hap siu ke bai kali na umdap ha ar pemer ngi hap ban siu ke bai kali sanspa tengka na ka banta jungi ki kentai ngi hap balek bala arsi ban yo ya ka jindon kam jungi wat tang banlek banlek le ya ka KCC lane kini ki baret ki baria ki bade ki kam private ki jong ki ru ki haban pelut aduk san spa andre spa ta kam dei ka basuk na ka banta jongi ki nong susnong ka jingjar te ngi kerpat na kaliang jongi ki nong susnong ya i chief engineer nang ne sakmat lada ini kontraktor imla bantrei mo ngi kerpat i ba in island na sakiwei pade ki kontraktor ki ba kibala bantrei ban pendap hak na ka banta utai surak omdei ka jing sim kabu na ka banta jengi iwei pa iwei hende na ka banta ka bha ka miat jong ki nong senong kapang custom ngi khamsuk ka lek kawan ha ka miat ka yong dan na kaliang jengi kerpat nang nia sakmat balada ikan traktor inam trainer ha ka mentahi u tayo da ka mot ngi kerpat i chief engineer jengi badan buram ba in aino ya kaneka kam sakiwei pade ki bala ban pendap hak ya kaneka kam kat kum ke jingdon kam jengi
lasdang ya kaneka jing trei how Desember arajar ar kulai bad hak jing sedang jong kaneka jing trei u kontraktor ulaweng lut ya baro kablak toping ke barim baro silenter jong usan poin kar kilometer jong ke peyulunti hadin ba ulaweng ula sange e kajing pentrei menta malu malala kumba syupo benai menta kasngi kum ka Joint Action Committee rangkat kajing sanranlang jukine ngilayo banya kendu ya u executive engineer jong ka PWD roads nongpo division na ka benta banbu da kajing tho hakakti jong u executive engineer bat kajing dawa ka bahakmat jong ka Joint Action Committee kalong bangin aipor ya u kontraktor hapo sitayaw ban sedang ban pentreno ya katay ke project bat uhap ban pendep ya katay ke project haswa umas ar hajar ar pusan bat ngilapan ru na ka office ya ka DPR ka detail project report bakum kinong penyak snong bangiru ngila ban page ban khmi ban buddin ya katay ke kam ngis ngokumen hadin bangila yo banya kendu baru executive engineer manakaliang jung ulai ka assurance ba unsim khya ya kene ka kam bat ban direct ya kontraktor ba un sedang no ya kene ka kam kadu ya wai nakaliang ka Joint Action Committee ngilashim ya ka resolution balada uneo contractor unfail ban comply ya kite ki demands ki jongi nakaliang ka Joint Action Committee kan sim da ki senjam ki bateng persya yakum kini ki contractor
Hashua bini kami ki kubor ki berangsa ngana Hashua Shipor syakini ki jingpan mana.
Hei, dewa emu ongi to umani ubot ya gajuk keluti. Wai wau chimle ya kawan ka kam ka wachingai. Henry mema keli kamon mentu lada kwa apiu chna reyi iwa mani yong pihi. Ilai luti to amto iwa sok em chibun iko. Wai keluti ye gale uman ka wahap ulai semen. Tangwane benta gitu ki wachlur wai ki kwa sakiat uku chaprang. Kakusnam untuk dukat ya kemenrit yang pi semen Henry penwandur gale wat ya kemenrit yang kecnong katau yang pi tang wem dup pi ulai semen hagani galuti ke Chief Ministers Championship Challenge kawasan emlang gawo kerchan ya gitu gida pen krek wo tia chaprang kini man kapalat banyak ya pelak kini tok kejing ya kilang kalat wo yok sia wai cha sikai imentoi wo bun wai kerchan ba emkam wan ra ya gela wo chim ye wani wa sedang pi wo kamjo open ku ye te Chakli yang kilo, hau ni usnam uyoi yewa he, ibu kemai wa kamjo le imentoi. Ya kini katong, tok gerwai pak ba dekat Sarkar Meghalaya, kau depan wandur ne bentawa kerchan ki kam ki wasdang nedo wasdang. Kini tok kerensan kau terwa, yai man kam ginong penyu pen kedau, irap poisa wa kamjo, yo lingba ke program incubation kau kendi benai yang ke prime. Ledaman pi ki bachong chnong jong ga Meghalaya ki bade em lepa ye khi iwa pna sanhi wai ki bade kre o ku chanang kini dok galat ka yong pi kinya phau san ngut ki wa cha jet u yo ki ye yarap de ka song poisa leni ka business support grant katwa ki le phau san ngut won u yo ki ye ka song poisa ka mar arlak tengka o kamjo ki so phau ngut ki wa bot won u yo ki mar chilak tengka nei venta wo punku ye ka kam yong ki chakmat Daw yo apilaw ye lang haki incubation programs nete ki lat heto waki kam networking daw ye lang ki rusan ki bada ku chakmat wakam jo ki tiar ki kam nei banta bo sedang ye ka kam kamo ban daw yo mentoi pile nei cha sikai iwa marsemen waki ru champang ki ru kom sikai ki open plia ki sap krek kam ki yong pi wakam jo le yo bha api heto wa yarap poisa ipenya to ya dei ki yaw ki han wakam jo i thau kre la ni ki office space ha shalong wa hatura de to ipor wa lai chawa palat i jing yo jingai ka menrit to ka yong pi ka wa pun wandur
katu de to kepali ke yong pi
katu to dapoi kepali yong pi
Hashua begini kami ki kubor ke bedangsa naga janmiat ngin pengen mau biang ya kimat bokongsan jaga kubor mentah ketayo. Menjur ke kenhun menteri ban penkela thamai ki kendon jaga Meghalaya building bylaws ban perkhengi ki jingtai hak industrial zone. Wan penyeso ki dekat ke UDP na West Shillong jaga sang kongres. Tang kebor pisah dari kebor sarkar dari menteri rangba ulampang ki menteri ki nyam hagam begre ong usaleng sangma. Leje kendo ke HYC uba polong do ah kebede bagi jing kun persya yau drugs. Nang jor ke jing ki ak skol ba nehu poi hospital ki samla basya thangan. Khalat ajan arngut ki samla na Assam na basya yu ah ketrok ha kesurok ba National Highway ba Henry. Bad pelia ke sarkar ke surok athem metor hadian hendrus nem tam. Ka Kentiulang Village Organization hakala sing ublay jong katayo kala penlong ya kejing rake ya kejing dap saus nem jongka daga ba penlong ya kejing elang haga snong kor step nong lengdo haga distrik Riboy haga bagi nong elam bagi dikot kiladap daga kejing kemen bah kini kisnem ki blalet ki kenhun 3 months ngobha hapo jongka Kentiulang Village Organization kilala bendo senyang syaki emlang salang
Kinong elam ka Kentiulang Village Organization ka bakedup ru ki hinyo teliki self-help group. Haga sau trik unai weng arhajar arpusau, kilayo ban le kemen ke jing dap sau snam jong ka kenhuan ke jing syakri pat ba. Bat ke emlang salang haga snong core step nong lengdo haga distrik riboy. Haga ni kesingi le kemen lawan ban ai men siem ru du MLA kanong po constituency uba Amiral Bon Siem kumu kongsan uba balajit rani MDC kanong po Ikong Veronica Sengkli Presiden ka Kentiulang Village Organization uba Andreas Makri rang ba snong ka core step nong lengdo ba Isaiah Sengkli rang ba snong core step nong telu bat kiwi-kiwi. Habakran dengan sengi uba Amiral Bon Siem mulai ku bleker pang ya bro kinong yalam jong ka Kentiulang Village Organization kibada kejing trishtom jong baro mentala kenjo show mau mer basau snem kejing syakri ban kershan kisnong githau ki emlang salang badru ban kentio para dekhot. Ulang ru bakano kono kenhuan kebadan kejingnya teli bat kejingnya snuthu jingmod ban trei kinu kikam kumlasaki de kejingnya treilang ka Village Organization bat gidkhot ki self-help group. Kamlong ke bae ekum kataka kenhuan ban kieu bat ban ajing mentoru yakiwe ki parnong song. Shosho ulo kentu kinong ilam bat khot ke Village Organization bat ki self-help group. Bagian yang penbahas shosho hikam syakri na gebenta ban le ru yagi kam babah ki emlang salang. Menang wan ra shosho kiwe ki jat kam ki ba compare da kejing treilang ru bagi tenat trei kam sarkar na gebenta kejing mentoy bat kejing kieu jong kesnong kathau.
Andre Nisroburam bagi pila simkia KBO pila sedang kimia utili ke SAG pila yo ya ka startup fund negeri revolving fund ka bagi nadi benyo haki benta ke pair pila yo ya ka community investment fund ka CIF pila sam haki SAG ki kam jong pi ki lapau but Ngiso kemen pani ya kejing trikam jong kita komiti prepare social mobilization committee, livelihood committee, social action committee. Pertik komiti telah ni. La penci pi bagi kam pila tre. Makwa ban yo snow kendian nalor ki kam ki ba pi tre nalor ka jing penan kam ga jong pi ya ka CIF ketua fund ke bayo pi HKBD bat ke social mobilization committee dan ke social action committee ngile long kepa ibu pli hakajuk ke parang chua te jo arbo diskur san pertit benang re pule benang re te kade gawi ni kilat kini ki extra activities ki bakum ke BU phila ban le da ka ban kentu ya ki kon samla ki bala nang lasat makin kai cisin seju ko hai le sisi sechan ma kum tu chen mit ban aja kum no ban tho ban tar ban pule malu mala chin wanang ji soi pertik bat kam ta ta bat ki wi ki kam ki ba pi dan ki activities ki ba pi la perchang lengba jong report ni i ba pila nang ya ikit bok ki riang i pi to nang ya chaprang chakmat kum ka village organization
Ni I could play a BMLA, but MDC by Johnny. Kumju ya piru ko etio, but ETA by Johnny.
Ke Central Bureau of Communication Shillong rengkat ke jingit Trailang bat ke Shillong Municipal Board. Hagasi palai jong katayo ke penlong ya ke Shramdan ne ke jing penko ya kathan Kandailat. Kum shibenta jong ke jingelap swachata hi seva.
La penlong ya ke jing penko ya ke Kandailat namara pagade ke jaka ke bapau nam jong ke nong ba Shillong. Bat ke jing temu jong ke ne ke program kalong ban penpriang ya ke jing tiap halor ke jing liak kot bat ke jing don kam bandon ke jing ke kliat na ke benta kamariang. Agni ke program lawan bani Shimenta du Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry but Veterinary uba ALHEC, Vice President ke Police Bazaar Welfare Organization UKK Junwala, urang ba snong karyat samtia uba Amaria Home Karkarang ki kena school bagi samla pulih, ki BSF, CRPF, Meghalaya Fire and Emergency Services, kinong dedukan, kinong demadan, bat kiwe-kiwe. Habakran ke jingelang uba ALHEC ula banjor ke jing don kam bandan ni kejing lek khoi badia ro kejing simkia jong jivat waswani ubala sumar gi benta bede bat kamariang hagi benta boper jong nong ba shilong ulong ru ba kejing lek khoi kawan ni kejing net penrai ba kadika kamram jongi banra ekene shakmat bat ulay ru ya kasnong maulen nong kawalang kasnong ko ba khoi tam ka do ba esha hagaba man unong shong udan lek benta ban penne ya kejing khoi ulong lada man lagi nong shong jong nong ba shilong kidon kum kene kejo kejing mud bat sengo try ka saudong sokun anla ban penlong ya kanong ba ka bakut tam hakari
to clean the locality, to clean our city. Thank you very much for your initiative. Would like also to thank the Jawan of the BSF, the CRPF, and also the officers of the BSF, CRPF who are gathering here today, and particularly to our hawkers, the street vendors who are working sincerely to ensure that we keep our locality clean, and also to our young students and also all the winners who have got the certificate and also the award this morning. You know why the Shillong city is a very clean? Because in our parampara, in our tradition, when I was young, I remember in our own ancestral property, in our central house, we have all the houses in Shillong, they organized before we having the garbage truck distributing to the different localities. We used to have our own dumping place. Every house they keep clean, all the household waste, they are only dumped in one place, somewhere corner in the near of our own compound. After that, they burn all the waste for the gardening. So therefore, this is already there in our mind and our soul. This is our parampara and our tradition to keep always clean. So as I said by our friends, he said that Karkrang, the cleanliness is the next to the godliness. It is true, but it has to become from ourselves. We should be the ambassador of the cleanliness. Why we have the Maulanam, the cleanest village in our state, the cleanest village in Asia. We have in not in our state, in the whole Asia. Why there is the cleanest village? Because everybody those who are residing there in the Maulanam, they are the ambassador of the cleanliness. They take the self-responsibility. They take the ownership to ensure that their locality, their village, keep it clean. We should follow this.
Te perlok da ketua ngila pois ka bukut juga tup kubor jengi benta kejan miet ngin se syam yang bat pil syam tayo ha kejuk kasngi bat ha kejuk kopor kuble shibon ne kopor jong pi bat tiaso